Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voice clone failed in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first you will need to check your source audio. So make sure your audio file meets ElevenLabs requirements. It has the format of WAV or MP3 and the duration minimum 10 seconds, ideally 20 to 60 seconds, okay? And the quality such as a clear voice, minimal background noise. And if the audio is too short or noisy, cloning will fail. Also guys, you will need to check your account and plan. So voice cloning is often limited to paid plans or creator and pro. So actually guys, when you want to go with create a voice, right here you can go with instant voice clone and professional voice clone. So you need to be on at least the starter plan to use instant voice cloning. And to have that plan, you will need to go and click on the top right corner or the pro icon that's located right there, and then just go with subscription or the second option, and from here you can get the starter plan. So just go with subscribe, then continue monthly or yearly, it's up to you, and enter your payment or card informations right here, enter your country and region, then just subscribe. Also, you will need to reduce the audio file size. Some browsers or servers fail on very large files that are more than 50 megabytes. So if your audio is long, trim it to the core sample for cloning. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.